Hello students, good morning. Today now we are going to study about the very important movement of India, that is trade union movement in India. Now let's start with an introduction to this topic. Trade union in India emerged in the background of industrialization. Textile industries, railway companies were established in the latter half of the 19th century in India. In 1899, railway workers went on a strike. So let's see what happened after that. When workers had problem, the first organization for resolving the issues of workers was established in 1920. This organization is known as the All India Trade Union Congress. Dear students, here you can see certain images of the All India Trade Union Congress. Now let's see what happened in the post-independence period. In the post-independence period, trade unions started working more effectively. Means the workers were more vocal about the problems that they faced. In 1960s and 1970s, trade union movement organized several agitations. But from 1980s, trade union movement started getting disintegrated. The meaning of disintegrated is that they started getting separated or they started operating individually. Globalization has affected the trade union movement to a great extent. Now let's see what were the problems faced by the workers. In India, workers are facing different problems. For example, unstable employment conditions, contract labor. Contract labor is on contract basis, that for 1 year, 1 month, 2 months, like that. Then financial insecurity, they are paid very less, and also maybe there may be a delay in the payment. Absence of legal protection for workers. So if anything goes wrong in the company, they are not protected legally. Unlimited working hours, there is no fixed time of working. They are made to work more than the time that government has given, where it is 8 hours or 10 hours depending on whatever work they are doing. Insecurity at workplace. This means that they are not secured about the job that they have. Health hazards. For example, if certain workers are working in a factory where something dangerous is produced, they do not have the protection kits, safety kits, or even a proper first aid kit if there something goes wrong. So these are all the health hazards that all the laborers face, and these are the problems that are faced by laborers in India. And hence, to counter these problems, trade unions were formed from the dawn of time. Thank you.